Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you a free tool which you can use with Ollama to generate data sets with only text prompts. How good is that? This tool, Synthetic Data Generator, not only works with Ollama based local models, but you can also use them with Hugging Face inference endpoint. So it means that if a model is hosted at Hugging Face, you can simply use it by setting your API key, which in most cases is free. But if your use case is higher, larger, you might have to pay a little bit. So seems like a quite good tool. There are a lot of other features too around it. It's a tool that allows you to create high quality data sets for training and fine tuning models. And of course, those data sets will be synthetic. It leverages the power of distillable and LLMs to generate synthetic data tailored to your specific needs. And by the way, we already have covered distillable on the channel. Also, uh, there are two supported tasks at the moment. One is text classification, and the other one is chat data for supervised fine tuning. Supervised fine tuning is a technique in tuning or fine tuning to adapt a pre trained or base model to a specific downstream task using labeled data. Also, this tool simplifies the process of creating custom data sets that enables you to describe the characteristics of your desired application, iterate on sample data sets, produce full scale data sets, and then you can even push your data sets to Hugging Face Hub or even to Argilla. I already covered Argilla yesterday on the channel, so if you're interested, just search with Argilla and you should be able to find this video, which is I'm going to put another one on top of it, but even this one should serve the purpose if you want to get started with Argilla. Okay, coming back with this synthetic data generator, so we are going to install it locally. We will run it and we will see how it works. We will be using Ollama based models. Ollama is one of the easiest tool to run large language models in quantized format locally. I have done heaps of videos on Ollama already, so please do check it out. Before I show you the installation, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Massed Compute. Let me also show you my Ollama. So this is my Ollama which is already running and I'm going to use this Llama 3.1 model which is 8 billion in context format for this video. Okay, so now we have our basic setup. Let's try to get this synthetic dataset generator installed. First step, I am going to just create a virtual environment with Conda. Let's wait for it to get created. And now let me install dataset generator with simple pip command. And that took around couple of minutes, so you just have to be patient. Next up, let's git clone the repo and then cd into it. That should be done fairly quickly. That is done. Now let's install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. And that again will take a few seconds, so let's wait. Okay, next up you need to set 3 environment variables as shown on your screen. So go to huggingface.co, grab your free token from there, make sure that it can able to call the Hugging Face hub and inference endpoints, or grab the read token or write token, because if you want to push your data set whatever you generate to Hugging Face, it's better to just get the write token. It's free. So set your Hugging Face token, set the base URL of Ollama here, and then also the model. You can even go with Llama 3.2 if you like. So I'm just going to go with Llama 3.1 and then let's press enter. Okay, and I will reset my Hugging Face token because I haven't put it here, and I will then clear the screen. And that is done. Next up, all we need to do is to launch our application, which is simple app.py. So once you launch it, you can access it in your local host. And the first time when you will run it, it is going to download this small model, and it will give you a warning about Argilla. But don't worry, if you want, you can set it. I haven't set it. And then you can go to your local host and then access it there at port 7860. It is simple Gradio demo. There you go. And I would also highly suggest you to sign in to synthetic data generator, and let me just make it fit into the screen. And now, as I said earlier, you can have here text classification, you can have chat data, and then this about page is about this tool. They also have given you some examples. For example, for text classification, for chat data, if you go to chat data, you see it is telling you all you need to do is to describe your data set that you want. For example, this is root customer assistant for a phone company. If you select it, this is all you need to do, and then click on create. It is going to start creating your data set. You can also specify your system prompt, how many turns and all that stuff. You can also do that. So as soon as I have clicked on create button, it has automatically set my system prompt, and then you can see that it is generating the instructions and responses. How good is that? Things have become so much easier over the last 1 year, because if I remember, just few months back, it was really not a challenge, but quite complicated to create a synthetic dataset. But now look, with just one text prompt and one click, we have created this prompt, completion and system prompt. There you go. And it is right according to the root customer assistant for a phone company. And you can scroll down to check what exactly it has done. You see, it's all about phone company. And similarly, for example, you want to create a data set about assistant that helps in selecting crypto tokens. Again, click on create. It is going to generate it by using that llama model, and then it is generating instructions on the right hand side. Let's wait for it. And there you go. You see prompt, I am new to cryptocurrency investing. So someone has said that, and this is a completion, and then this is a system prompt. Really very amazing stuff. What are the best tokens to invest? There you go. So it is talking about tokens. This is really amazing. Really good stuff by it. And similarly, if you go up, then you can also check out with the text classification task. And you see that this is again a data set covering customer reviews for an e-commerce website or news article about various topics. You click on creates, and it is going to start generating your data set accordingly for the text classification, where you can perform some sort of classification and then maybe build a recommendation system on top of it. There you go. It all automatically has selected labels and all that stuff. And you see within just 30 seconds, it has created this classification text that this is education, social issues, politics, and all those labels, on the basis of which it has done this classification stuff. Amazing. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about synthetic data generator. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.